Another lesson that we could learn from the matzav the way it's now is concerning the inyan of tumah v'tare. We know there is inyan of tumah v'tare, means certain things are tomei. The Torah says they are tomei, and if they touch anything, it makes it tomei. And there's one of those things that is very hard to understand, and it's even more than other things which are forbidden. The mashal. When something is forbidden, you mix milk and meat together, it's forbidden. We don't see anything negative about it. With our eyes, we can't see how that is bad. We can't see how that is poison, so to speak. But we see a difference. Before it wasn't mixed, now it's mixed. So the physical metzias we see. We just don't see why it's osir. By tumah, we don't even see the physical metzias. Tumah touches something and goes away, and the thing is left itself. It looks exactly like it was before, no change. And nevertheless, it became tomei. And became tomei that could contaminate other things and make other things tomei. And certain levels of tumah is that you can't be in one room together with that tumah. Like tumas mitzayra or tumas mes, you can't be in one room. And it's very hard to understand why. It's something that we don't see, and that's why it's called a chukah, or the Rambam refers to it as gzeira sakosov. The fact that this is tomei is only a gzeira of the Torah, and it's beyond our understanding. But here we have an example. We don't have a hasbara, we don't have an explanation why it's like that. But we have an example. Here we have something that we cannot see. It's not visible at all. Nevertheless, it's there, and if that touches something, it contaminates it in a way that you can't see. And therefore it can contaminate other things also. But you can't see it. But it's there. And we see it makes a person sick. And it brings the poison further. So here we see an example to the concept of tumah v'tara, which was never understood. So we don't understand why this is tomei and this is not tomei. But we see that this concept is something that we find begashmius also. That one little thing which you can't even see, and it touches something, it spreads. And it spreads further, and it could make something else contaminated. And you can be in one room within close proximity of the thing. So this all makes it more real that this is in Gashmias. So obviously there is a thing in Ruchnias, just like there's poison in Gashmias, there's poison in Ruchnias. So we could see from here a certain connection that to the union of Tumah v'Tara. Now Tumah v'Tara doesn't apply nowadays anyway. It's only the time, Samigdash time, where we had Por Aduma, but we learn about it and we know there is such a thing, and when Mashiach will come, it'll be back. This gives us a little closer look at the possibility of such a thing. But here is Begashmias, there is Baruchnias.